Free Fire India is set in a
निकल
virtual
गए।
world. It's not based on the real world. Don't worry if you're eliminated. Respawn.
दोनों नहीं है। नहीं,
एक एवरेस्ट का बता दे।
कोई भी।
एवरेस्ट